So friends, if you get the error like this, no, show that. Okay, you get this error. Okay, reboot, insert boot media. What you have to do is you have to restart it. Okay, and press the setup. You have to go to the BIOS setup. Okay, you have to go to the BIOS setup. You have to press the F11. So friends, you have to press the F11, selecting the first thing as DVD hard, so not DVD, the hard disk. Okay. Now what you have to do is you have to go to the setup. Okay. Now in here you have to go to the boot. Okay. You have to go to the boot and you have to give the priority. You have to give it in this manner. Okay. You have to go here and click it and select the hard disk. Okay. You have to select the hard disk first to give the priority. So I'm just clicking escape. Then next would be the DVD and next would be the USB. Now you go here and save it and quit without saving. You can quit without saving. It is quit without saving. So I'm just typing it no because I want to save it. Okay. Okay. Now you just click the that and you just get out. So if it is not working, now what you have to do is you have to open the system. Okay. So I think it will not work because the power supply could be loose or the SATA cable could be loose in the hard drive. So we have to fix it. Okay. Let's see. So that. Off it. You got it. So it is not working. So I am just switching off it and I am going to remove all those things from the CPU. Off it. So as you can see here, it is in this manner. So you have to first what you have to do is you have to check the power cord here. Okay, you just press it like this, and you just take the SATA cable which is being connected to the hard disk. The SATA cable which is being put the flash. Okay, you have to connect this to the hard disk. You have to just fix it. You have to just take it and again you have to fix it. Okay, and also this power cable you have to see where it is going. Okay, it is coming from here, so you have to also fix this power cable correctly. Okay, and it is very dusty. So this is the graphics card. Okay, this is the graphics card and you have to check all these wires have been connected correctly. Okay, there's lots of spider web in this, so I have to fix it also. Okay, and see whether everything is connected correctly. Okay, this hard disk and everything. So let's switch now. Okay, I'm just switching it now. Okay, so call it shock adichirum. Okay, now I'm going to just switch it. So it is running. So let's see. So I think this thing is not connected. I think so. So only it is blinking. Okay. So I'll fix it. So show that. Okay. Now we have a trouble now that it is showing some error. So the error could be show here. Show that. As you can see, there is some sort of error like this. It is not showing that. Okay, so it be due to the corrupted hard disk. Okay, due to the corrupted hard disk or the power supply. I don't think power supply has a problem, so the hard disk has to be damaged. Okay, so the hard disk should be damaged, so I have to replace the hard disk. Okay, so that's why it is showing like this. As you can see, it is just buffering in somehow. Okay, so the damage was due to the wire, I think so, maybe because of the SATA cable or something. So I will switch off it again and I will just play this again. Okay, as you can see, it is switching off. Okay, I will just get here. So I will just put the power cable nicely, because the power is coming correctly, but if you take this wire could be an problem. Okay, this wire could be an problem. Okay, there is something problem this, so I will clean it. Okay, I'll just try to clean it, and also in here. Okay, okay, right. So wait. So I think this wire is not good, so I am replacing this wire. I'm going to just use this wire and see how it works. Okay, we will just replace it with this wire. Okay, because this is an DVD's wire. I'm just plugging it here. Wait. Okay, so I don't think this is an SATA cable, but I will try it. Okay, now what I'm doing is I'm just fixing it here. Okay, so I have taken the DVD SATA cable and I have just fixed it here. Okay, so let's see now. I'm just putting it. So it is running. Okay, I think now it doesn't have any problem. Okay, this was due to the SATA cable, I think. So this is some kind of damaged SATA cable. Okay, this is a damaged SATA cable. So the problem was due to that, I think. So let's see whether it is running or not. Okay, it is running. Almost it is running. Okay. So let's see. It will take some time to boot. Okay, so it was due to the damaged SATA cable from here. Okay, so I have changed the DVD's SATA cable and I have just placed it with the hard disk. Okay, so this problem was solved. So this problem was due to the damaged SATA cable. Okay, so I don't think this will do better. So when the quarantine finishes, we will start it. Okay, thank you. Like, share and subscribe. So first you have to correct the bootable medium, give the priority to the hard disk, and the second you have to check one by one. You have to check whether the hard disk is gone or the power supply is gone or that is gone, and again it will be done. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you.